Hello everybody, welcome to Media Corner. Today I'm going over one of our new template releases, some spring templates just in time for spring. Let's get started by going to ScreenScape.com now and logging into Media Manager by going up to the Login tab right here and entering your credentials. Or you can also create an account in this window as well. Now that we're logged in, let's click on the plus button to bring up the template drawer. The new spring templates are just here at the top of the drawer. You can also make a search as well, so just type in spring. So today I want to create a spring themed playlist. So what I'll be doing is customizing a few templates so they can all work cohesively together. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just add some new text. All of our templates are really easy to customize. They're a really great starting point for adding your own unique messaging. So now that the text is done, I want to change the logo out. So to do this, I just click on the logo, go to the drop-down arrow right here, go to change image, and I'm just going to drag in an image right from my desktop. So just click on it and that'll swap out your images. So I'll just drag this to the top left here. And I want to name this something and save it. And we're done with this one. And let's go back to the template drawer and choose one more spring template. So I'll type in spring again, and I'm gonna pull this one up. So I wanna change the background color first. So I have a hex code written down. So I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna paste that into my base layer to change the background color. And I'll do the same thing with the text. So I'll copy the hex code and I'll go to the different text layers and paste the color into them. So now I can select spring and change the color of spring. And I have to do one more, which is sail. So I'll select sail, highlight the text, and change the color. So I want to get rid of these social icons. So all I do is click on them, go to the layer tray here, and drop down arrow and delete layer. I want to add one more text field, so I'm going to duplicate this one and then add some more text here. All right, that's looking pretty good. I might just make one more small adjustment and I can save this. And now we can get started on the third template. So let's click on the plus button to open the template library up one more time. And I'm going to search retail, because I know I want to use a retail template. I kind of have one in mind. It's gonna be one of these fashion templates. So first thing I wanna do is change the text color to be the same text color we've been using throughout the templates. So I'll just paste in my hex code right there on the text layer. Same thing with this one. And I wanna get rid of this brown text area, so I'll just delete it. I want to add a new shape layer, so I'll click on the plus button and go to shape layer, and I'll use the handles here on the edges to resize it. I want to round the corners, so I'll click here and go to add style and go to border radius. Just increase that slightly so the edges are kind of slightly rounded. I want to make sure we're using the same colors we've been using throughout the template creation, so I'll select my hex code and paste that into the background on the shape layer. I can move that behind my text layer and just kind of center my text layer a little bit. So now I want to add a logo. So I'll go to the plus button again and go to add image and use the same logo we used before and resize it and just put it in the left corner like so. So now that all the templates are done, I want to customize a playlist and add our templates to that playlist. So I'll save this one. And let's go to playlists right up here. Click on the plus button to create a new playlist. I want to add my device first, so I'll go up to devices and click on the plus button. So I'll choose my device that I want this playlist to play on. And now we can add our media. So let's go up to media here and click on the plus button and add the 3 templates that we created. Awesome. So I'm gonna change the duration on some of these. So this top one will be 25 seconds. The other 2, I want them to be 10 seconds. Now let's customize the look of the actual playlist by going to settings, themes, bunch of pre-designed themes, which are really handy. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna use custom theme. So I'll add my own background image that fits in with our spring theme. And I wanna change this color here, so I'll paste in a hex code. If you ever wanna change the opacity on any of these color layers, it's really easy. You just turn this down right here. So that looks really good. So now I wanna test out how my media looks with my new playlist style. So I'll just go back up to media here and just click on each layer and just see what it looks like. Everything's looking good. So I think we're done. So let's name it something and save it. I hope this media corner was informative for everyone. It's always nice to have a playlist that kind of reflects the seasons or holidays or your branding for that matter. If you have any questions regarding media, playlists, templates, my name is Aiden. You can message me at mediacorner@screenscape.com whenever you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an awesome day. Bye.